The missing Sabongeros case involves the disappearance of at least 30 cockfighting enthusiasts in Luzon between 2021 and 2022. Today is the first hearing of the case following its transfer to Quezon City courts, but only 2 families of the victims attended. Joash Malimban is on the phone for more. Joash, what's the latest?
The families of some of the missing Sabongeros, along with state witness Elakim Patidongan, appeared at the Quezon City Hall of Justice for the first hearing of the Santa Cruz missing Sabongeros cases after it was transferred to Quezon City courts. The cases were recently transferred to streamline the proceedings and facilitate the hearings. Today's proceedings focused on the bail petition of 13 police officers and 5 security guards accused of allegedly kidnapping and killing nearly 20 Sabongeros in Santa Cruz, Laguna. Only 2 families of the missing Sabongeros were present during today's hearing, despite there being 19 original complainants in the cases. According to the attending families, many of the other complainants have allegedly been placed on the payroll, which they claim is the reason they no longer attend the court proceedings. They are urging the government to continue pursuing the case and ensure that justice is served for their missing loved ones. Also seen at the Quezon City Hall of Justice were the lawyer of fugitive Charlie Atong Ang, counsel for several of the accused police officers, and the legal representatives of the Patidongan brothers. However, all declined to issue statements citing a gag order imposed by the court. Mai.
Joash, may naipakita ba silang pruweba doon sa sinasabi nilang nasa payroll yung mga ibang pamilya ng biktima?
Yes, Mai. Right now, pending itong obstruction of justice complaint na i-file nila sa Department of Justice weeks ago. Pero may plano raw itong mga pamilya na magsampa ng isang supplemental affidavit na nagpapakita ng kanilang mga screenshots doon sa mga group chat conversations, pati na rin yung mga videos kung saan nakikipag-usap umano itong mga legal counsels ni Atong Ang doon sa ibang mga pamilya. Kaya allegedly, ay hindi na uma-attend yung mga pamilya o yung ibang mga pamilya ng mga hearings para daw mapahina itong kaso nila. May.
Maraming salamat, Joash Malimban reporting.